Hi, it's Chef Sam. Welcome to another week of When the Chef's at Home. This week I'm taking you behind the scenes. I'm going to show you how I made that pizza dough and that pita dough. Give you a quick lesson. I hope you enjoy. Hey, let's start making some dough. I've got my water. Should be from 105 to 110 degrees. I'm going to add my yeast to that. Now that takes 10 minutes to activate. So we're going to come back in 10 minutes. So check it out. The yeast has blossomed. It's been 10 minutes. Now I've got the bowl for the mixer all warmed up so that we can start mixing the dough. I don't like to start with a cold bowl or even a cold container for the water because it'll bring that temperature down. Okay, so if you weren't sure if your dry yeast was good, if it doesn't blossom, it's no good. Well, our yeast is good. So now that 10 minutes is up, I'm going to put the yeast and water into the mixing bowl. Okay. Kosher salt. Sugar to feed that yeast. And olive oil. You can use canola oil. I've got 2 pounds of flour all measured out. That was 1 pint of warm water, number 105 to 110 degrees. I'm going to hold back on some of that flour. I'm going to get this started mixing. Always mix on low speed. Okay, I'm going to stop it, bring the sides down. Now once the flour is incorporated and the dough is the right consistency, I'll let it mix for 5 minutes. Okay, I'm going to let that mix and then I'll come back, show you the results. Look at that dough, it's perfect. It's not sticking to the bowl. I think it's time to let it rest. Okay, now I'm going to take it out of the bowl. Okay, first we got to get that dough hooked down. Take the dough off. You know, it's not really sticky. It's just right. That's how you know you got the right amount of ingredients. Take that extra flour and dust the counter down. Okay, as you can see, that dough's finished. Now I'm about to make those pizzas in that other video and that pita. I hope you love those. I'll probably be making some more of that pizza dough real soon. See you later.